Good afternoon and Merry Christmas to everyone. Welcome to this episode of Import Creations. First episode, first theme, first everything, should I say. I'm going to be doing videos on my 92 Honda Prelude. Um, going to do everything that you can think of: mods, uh, interior, paint, um, you name it. I'm going to be doing it, turboing it later on. I'm not really in a hurry to turbo it, but at the same time, I just want to get it to run how it ran before. When I bought it from the gentleman, it had a little bit of issues. It didn't have steering and stuff like that. I start buying a little bit of stuff from eBay and doing other stuff and stuff like that. But at the same time, it's still not running right. I know for one, the battery's dead. Um, and like I said, I didn't replace the fuel injectors. That's my next step, is going to be replacing all this stuff. But at the same time, I'm doing a video on what everything I'm going to replace. So therefore, I'm going to give you a look at the car, let you see what it looks like. And then we'll just go from there. And maybe I'll take off the hood and let you see what motor is in there. But at the same time, it will not start because the battery is dead. I forgot the key inside the house, and I had to go inside the house to get the key. But the interior looks okay, but it needs to be redone um, because it's leather. And after sitting in the sun for so many years, what the sun does to leather without it being covered up and stuff like that. So I'll give you a little look around on the car, and you can just tell me what you think and give a couple guesses in your description on what you think I'm going to paint it, what color I'm going to paint it, should I say, what all internals I'm going to do, stuff like that. So if you stay tuned to this video, you're going to see everything I'm going to be doing to this car. Hopefully I'll be getting started in the next couple of days, or say the next week. It depends on how cold it is. But me, I'm a type of person I can work in the cold, so it just depends on if it doesn't snow, then I'll work on the car, should I say. So I'm going to give you a look at the car, and then we'll go from there. Here's a look. Like I said, I bought it from a gentleman, and he was planning on working on it and getting it up and ready. I bought it in income tax season as a project car, and it pretty much is a project. Like I said, I had it to run, got it to run. I drove it a couple times. Had to get an ECU and stuff like that. I had to get ECU, engine harness wires and stuff like that. But I'm planning on redoing all that. I think I'm having trouble with certain things, but I haven't really sit down to diagnose all my things that I, that's wrong, should I say, because I give up not as easily, but at the same time I had other things that I wanted to do, and this at the time was not one of them when it should have been, because like it was just, when I was planning on doing it, the money was coming in, but it wasn't to do what I want to do. It was just taken away from things I want to do. So therefore, this got put on hold, and now it is time for me to get it up and running. I do have to replace the windshield. I don't know if y'all saw that, but I give y'all a little glimpse of that real quick. I did that with the hood. It was nothing wrong with the windshield, but I wound up cracking it with the hood when I took the hood off. When I took the hood off and took everything off to put the motor in, like I said, I did some stuff to the motor. I repainted it and stuff like that. I repainted it blue. In another video, I'll give you more insight on that when I can get it started. I get the key and open the door, and then go from there. But like I said, it's just one of those projects I'm planning on doing and trying to get it done before. Let's see, I want to have it done before summer or spring, when they start going to the track. I want to take it to the track and see what it does. Maybe put it on a trailer and take it somewhere where I can get it dynoed. If I can't get it dynoed here, but like I only know one dyno place here, and that gentleman's pretty busy, so therefore I just want to get it done. So that's it for this video. And you know, like, subscribe, comment, whatever you want to say. Negative comments, I don't care. I like all feedback. So therefore, everybody have a safe and Merry Christmas.